Yeah, so where do stories come from? I love that question. I spent about 5 years after I became a product owner trying to figure out the answer to it. Conventional agile instruction just says, oh, the product owner goes off and writes stories. But the reality of what we deal with as product owners and product managers is you're typically given a very large, vague idea. Rewrite the UI, create a new system that does blah. It's just a few words, it's a bullet point on the roadmap. Then all of a sudden you're supposed to magically take that nebulous thing and turn that into 3 to 5 day stories that are independent, are testable, are value, are written from a user's point of view and can be completed in a single sprint. That's not trivial. It's not trivial at all. So our product discovery workshops, our product owner coaching, and our product discovery and delivery course systematically shows people how to blend business understanding, market research, design thinking, and UX to get all the way from idea to story. The first time I saw that as a student in that class, I was like, Eureka! This is what I've been looking for 5 years. I finally know how to write stories. Spoiler alert, writing good stories does not start with stories. It starts way left of that.